Castro Valley's One Home Remodeling. If you're looking for quality and affordable remodeling services, look no further than construction remodeling in the Bay Area. We are Castro Valley's top choice for remodeling contractors. Are you considering remodeling your home? If so, then it's important to find a trustworthy and experienced company that can help you achieve your goals. In the Bay Area, look no further than Castro Valley's top remodeling company. They specialize in residential and commercial construction remodeling, offering a wide range of services with quality craftsmanship at competitive prices. Let's dive into why they are the top choice for any homeowner looking to upgrade their property. Construction remodeling in Bay Area offers a variety of services to meet every need. From kitchen and bathroom renovations to exterior upgrades like decks and patios, they provide comprehensive solutions for both interior and exterior projects. The company also provides construction services such as framing, drywall installation, flooring, painting, electrical work, plumbing, and more. No matter what type of job you need done on your property, big or small, you can trust their team of professionals to get it done right the first time. The team at Construction Remodeling in Bay Area will work closely with you to create a unique design that fits your vision as well as your budget. They understand that each client has different needs and wants when it comes to remodeling projects. They strive to make sure that everyone is completely satisfied with the end result. From helping you pick out materials like tile and countertops all the way through the completion of the project, they will be there every step of the way to ensure that your expectations are met. The team at Construction Remodeling in Bay Area believes that quality craftsmanship should not have to break the bank. That's why they offer competitive pricing on all projects, no matter how big or small, so that everyone can afford to upgrade their home or business without sacrificing quality or design aesthetics. In addition, their team is always available for free estimates so that you know exactly what you'll be paying before signing any contracts or agreements. Whether you are looking for a full-scale renovation project or just some minor touch-ups around the house, Castro Valley's top remodeling company has got you covered. With years of experience in residential and commercial construction remodeling in the Bay Area combined with competitive pricing and unique design solutions tailored specifically for each client's individual needs, it's easy to see why this local business is one of the most trusted names in construction remodeling today. Contact them today for more information about how this company can help turn your visions into reality. Thanks for watching.